Ever wondered if there's a magic potion for fuller, more defined brows? Today, we're taking a closer look at a product that promises just that, GrandeBROW Brow Enhancing Serum. This serum claims to give you natural, voluminous brows, so let's see if it really lives up to the hype. GrandeBROW Brow Enhancing Serum is designed to be a go-to product for anyone wanting to enhance their brows. Its lightweight, gold-colored formula comes in a sleek serum form, making it super easy to apply daily. The serum promises to nourish and condition your brows, encouraging fuller, thicker growth with regular use. The brand Grande Cosmetics is known for creating products that help amplify your natural beauty, and this serum is no exception. The main selling point of this product is its ability to enhance the appearance of brows over time. The formula includes ingredients that are meant to promote the health of your brow hairs, supporting growth and thickening, while also conditioning them. When you first apply it, the serum feels lightweight and it doesn't leave any sticky residue behind. After a few weeks of consistent use, the results are supposed to speak for themselves. I've been using this serum for a couple of weeks now, and the experience has been pretty smooth. The application is straightforward. Just swipe the brush over your brows once a day before bed. I didn't experience any irritation, which is a plus, since some brow serums can be a bit too harsh. As for performance, I've noticed a slight improvement in the fullness of my brows, though it's important to remember that results vary depending on the individual. On the flip side, while I've seen some results, it's not a miraculous transformation. If you're expecting immediate, dramatic changes, this might not be the product for you. Brow enhancement is a gradual process, so you need to be patient and consistent with your application to see the best results. Also, the price point is a bit on the higher side, so it's not exactly budget-friendly. If you're looking for quick results without the investment, you might want to consider other options. In terms of value for money, it's a bit of a mixed bag. On one hand, the quality is there, and the product does deliver noticeable results with time. On the other hand, the price might not justify the results for everyone. There are other products out there that claim to do the same job for a more affordable price, but you might not get the same luxury experience. Comparing it to other brow serums on the market, GrandeBROW is definitely one of the more premium options. You're paying for the brand and the quality of the ingredients. But for a similar price, you could find products that offer a more aggressive approach to brow growth, though they may not be as gentle as this one. As for build quality, the serum's packaging is sleek and functional, with a nice applicator that makes it easy to swipe over your brows. The product is designed for daily use, so I do expect it to last a couple of months, depending on how often you apply it. I haven't needed to contact Grande Cosmetics customer service directly, but the brand has a solid reputation for responding promptly to customer inquiries. It's always reassuring to know that there's good support behind a product in case you have any concerns. Now, if you're on the fence about the price, there are more affordable alternatives available. Some budget-friendly options claim to offer similar brow-enhancing benefits, though the ingredient quality and effectiveness may vary. If you're willing to splurge a little, GrandeBROW does provide a luxurious experience with solid results. Just be prepared for a bit of patience. To sum up, GrandeBROW Brow Enhancing Serum delivers on its promises, but it's not a one-size-fits-all miracle worker. If you're looking for a gradual, natural enhancement to your brows and don't mind investing a bit more, it's worth trying. However, if you need faster results or have a tighter budget, there are other alternatives out there that might be more suitable for your needs. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.